Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a slightly different video for you, a bit more of a chilled one. I haven't really had time to film much this weekend, so I thought that I'd just do a bit of a driving video. I've got a mic hooked up to the back of the car. This is my first attempt at doing that, so I'm hoping it comes out okay and you can hear the car. If it doesn't, then this whole thing's gone to pot and you'll never see it. So yeah, it's just a bit of a attempt at filming a different style of video for me, and hopefully you enjoy the exhaust sound of the Abarth. So if you've got some headphones, chuck them in. If you haven't, just whack your volume up and enjoy the sound of this throaty little 4-pot, because it really is a good one. So yeah, hope you enjoy. I really hope the mic on the back of the car picks this up well. I'm worried it will just get washed down really, because it's not the most expensive of mics. I'm giving this YouTube thing a bit of a budget. The car really does sound good for a 4-pot. I'll shut up and let the car do the talking in a moment. But it's got a really throaty sound to it, and I think some people think it's a bigger engine than it actually is a lot of the time. I certainly did when I test drove one last year for the first time, and honestly it's what sells you on the car. It's so characterful, the noise is pretty raspy. It doesn't intrude too much either when you're driving along on the motorway, and when you're around town you can play with noise so much. Like for instance, I'm in 5th gear doing nearly 50 mile an hour. I can just downshift and go and make some noise, and it's brilliant. We've got a cool bend coming up here. I wish I had another GoPro so I could film and talk, but the microphone on the back of the car is going to show my lack of talent at downshifting. I'm going to be exposed by that one. I just hope it stayed on, to be honest. I've got some crappy sellotape holding it on, and then my audio recorder's just in the boot. It's a proper janky setup, but you know, needs must when you're not a professional YouTuber. It's very much amateur hour over here, but we move. So I think what I'll do now is just turn the camera around, because we're near my nice stretch of road, and yeah, just listen to the car, enjoy, and I'll catch up when we're done. So I'll have to end it there because the GoPro battery is on its very last legs. We're on 3%. Hope you enjoyed. That was just a short video showing off the exhaust, and hopefully I've recorded it fine. If I haven't, then again, you probably won't see this video and it's been an absolute honker. If it has worked, then wicked. I'm gonna go check if it's flown off now or not. If it hasn't flown off, then we should be looking good. So yeah, that's been this week's video. Hopefully next week I'll come with some better, more prepared content that I can deliver. I'm hoping for a trip to Cafe Machine, and I can take you around and show you some cars, and might get up to some other antics as well. So hope you enjoyed, and drop a like, leave a comment, all that stuff, and catch you in the next one. Au revoir.